Okay, so we want to find the perimeter of a shape, and we need to remember that the perimeter is the distance around a shape. So if we're looking at the shape in the center here, we want to find out the distance going from there right down the side, along the bottom, and back up again. Okay, so I've got three different shapes here. I'm going to start with the first shape. So to find the perimeter of the shape is really simple. We need to add up the measurement of each side of the shape. So if we have a look at this from here, from this side here to this side here, is 3 meters. So we can write 3 meters. And then we need to add up the next side. So we're going to walk along the other side of the shape, and we go from here to this side, and that is 6 meters. Okay, and then the measurement along the bottom is also 3 meters. And then back up the other side, it tells us it's 6 meters. So we're going to add all those together. Alright, so we know that if we do our double, so we go 6 plus 6 is 12. And 3 plus 3 is 6. 12 plus 6 equals 18. Now we need to make sure that we always have our unit of measurement at the end. So we've been using meters, so it's 18 meters. So we know that M stands for meters. It's really important to have that in your answer, because otherwise we don't know what you mean. Do you mean 18 millimeters, 18 centimeters, or 18 meters? So it's really important that you have that measurement of unit at the end of your answer. Now another way to work out the perimeter of a shape, sometimes you'll see that there's these little lines here on the sides of the shape, and sometimes it doesn't give you all the measurements. So what this means is, whatever line is on this side and it has an opposite side that has the same line, it means it's the same length. So if we have a look at this side here, same thing, this is 3 millimeters. Okay, so we're going to pop 3 millimeters down there. And if we look at this line, we find the opposite line, same side, opposite side, same line. So that means that it's going to be the same measurement. So that side is also 3 millimeters. Okay, and same goes for the top here. It says 8 millimeters. So we can add 8 millimeters because we're adding that side. Then the opposite side has got two lines, same as this one, which means that that's also going to be 8 millimeters. Okay, so now we need to add up all our sides together. So we know that 8 plus 8 is 16. And 3 plus 3 is 6. So then we know that 6 plus 6 is 12, plus our another 10 is 22. And we need to remember that we need to have in our unit, so we're working with millimeters. So it's 22 millimeters. Now we've got one more shape here on the side, and this is a square shape. Now we all know that squares, all of their sides are the same length. So with this one, we've only got one measurement, and it tells us this is 4 meters. So the top side of our square is 4 meters. Now remember the same with this shape. If there's a line on another side of the shape that is the same as the one with the measurement, it means it's going to be the same length. So this one here has got a one line, and it's 4 meters. So if we go to the next side, this has also got one line, so that means that side is going to be 4 meters. Now opposite, once again, one line, which means it's going to be 4 meters. And then on our last side, also 4 meters. Okay, so now we can add up our answer. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Another 4 plus 4 is 8. So 8 plus 8 is 16. And we need to remember our measurement unit. So we're working with meters. So it's going to be 16 meters.